Now let's learn how to create automatic messages sending. Okay, on your connection, you need to connect the widget to the board by Whatcrm. If it's not connected to board Whatcrm, you need just to change settings here and do it like this. Okay, after it, go to the board and go to automate here. Then we need to add automation. Here you need to choose a trigger on what the messages will be sent. Let's look at the scenario when item created. It means that somebody writes you on your phone number. What should we do? Here we need to choose Whatcrm, send a message from connected number to WhatsApp. Okay, let's look what we have here. It's loading. Okay, here click on message, then you need to write the message, or you can just copy paste here. Mind that masks here unfortunately are not working right at the moment, but we are working on it. Press done. Here you need to choose the connected number, and I create automation. Okay, the automation is created and we are waiting for any new contact writes us. Okay, so you see that somebody writes us. Let's look at the WhatsApp web. You see that our message has been sent right away